Why is your internet slow in online games? And how to fix it. Have you ever noticed that while playing an online game, everything suddenly slows down and players start moving strangely, disappearing and reappearing? The issue may not be your internet speed, but rather your ping or a problem known as buffer bloat. First, what is ping and why is it important? Ping is the time it takes for data to travel from your device to the game server and back. The lower it is, the faster the response and the smoother the gameplay. Causes of high ping. 1. Using Wi-Fi instead of a cable. Wi-Fi can be unstable due to interference. Always use an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. 2. Distant servers. If you're playing on a server far from your region, you'll experience lag. Try selecting the closest server available in the game. 3. Network congestion. If multiple devices are using the internet simultaneously, like downloading files or streaming 4K videos, your ping will increase. Second, what is buffer bloat and why does it cause lag? Buffer bloat is a delay in sending and receiving data due to the router's memory getting overloaded, making game responses significantly slower. How to check if you have buffer bloat? Use the waveform buffer bloat test. Search for it on Google. If you notice high latency spikes when using other applications, you might have this issue. How to fix buffer bloat? 1. Use a router that supports QoS, quality of service, to prioritize gaming traffic and reduce the impact of other downloads. 2. Limit background internet usage while gaming. 3. If possible, get a router that supports SQM, Smart Queue Management, which efficiently manages data flow. Third, the difference between UDP and TCP and why it matters for gaming. Most online games use UDP instead of TCP, and here's why. TCP ensures data accuracy but is slow because it waits for confirmation for every packet. UDP is faster as it sends data directly without waiting for confirmation, making it ideal for gaming. How to check if your game uses UDP? Popular games like Fortnite and Call of Duty rely on UDP. You can verify this in advanced game settings or by using network analysis tools like Wireshark. Quick steps to fix slow internet in online games. Use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Choose the closest server in the game. Test your ping to ensure it's low. Make sure no heavy downloads are running while playing. Run a buffer bloat test and check your router's performance. Use a router with QoS or SQM for better data management. Try these solutions and let me know in the comments. Did you notice an improvement in your online gaming experience?